From our youngest age, we have been taught that we need to work hard or to sacrifice our happiness if we want to be successful in life. A lot of us are born with the mindset of poverty. How often have you heard, "Don't be lazy, work harder"? You can't have that. You need to sacrifice your family time if you want to feed them. It slowly destroys our creativity, our confidence, our dreams to comply with the society. What if I told you that we were thinking upside down and we actually can reverse those limiting beliefs? You want to know more about it and, above all, learn how to do it? Come to my special workshop to understand some of your limiting beliefs and learn how to think and act differently to feel free and attract abundance. The workshop is on Sunday, 6th of November in Alexandra at Flow Space between 1 p.m. and 4:30 p.m. Booking is essential, so please go to my website for booking or have more information at bodymindcare.org, or you can also email me lily@bodymindcare.org. I am looking forward to meeting you. Bye!